Sorry?
Month also. Apart from this, I want a month also. January
Month है ना,
20.
left में. Month is also there.
So we have
Month
to
is
change
there. Same
instead of
month is
year.
getting compared in different years.
Okay.
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 Now this is overall summary, but if someone is saying, okay, can you show me only for baby lotion? I click on baby lotion, or maybe I
doing this, I want to compare the growth month wise and the year wise. Like January 2021 and 22, what is the growth?
okay.
And then total in 21, 22, 23, like that. Compare it with the 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24. Growth in percentage. How to do that?
Okay, I'm duplicating this sheet, requesting control first. First, reduce the content of the pivot. I think this I mentioned in one of the previous session also.
Yeah.
This pivot is too busy to look at, too much content. Okay, so I'm right clicking and duplicating it. It's not showing something. Can you duplicate the sheet? Right click, move or copy, and last option, create copy. Yeah, click OK. Okay, so this is now going to the pivot table analyze at the top, fields list. Okay, I'm reducing the content first little bit so that you can understand, and then add your informations as per your requirement. I'm removing category, I'm removing items, I'm removing inventory also, and I'm bringing this month over here. So this is looking readable now, right?
Yeah.
That month is compared across 4 years. Okay? So सबसे पहले तो you would be needing the comparison or the growth at an overall level. Forget the category and other things, right? So how do you do it? So first of all, these are not readable numbers. So you right click one of this cell and then here number format, and I will go for this hash comma hash 0 to show the numbers in a readable format. Now numbers are readable properly.
Yes.
No decimals and thousands, comma separator is there. Now your question is, okay, if it is 270,000 and it became 649,000 in the next year, how much is the growth? Which is more than double, I guess, right?
Yes.
So I will bring the same number, the sum of quantity, one more time, where it is quantity. I will bring it one more time over here in the same section value. Okay. And the first one is your quantity. I'm just renaming it. And the second one is also your quantity, but very soon I will convert it into something else, which is maybe percentage change. Okay. But how to convert it into percentage change? I will right click on any one cell and then show values as. Currently there are no calculations happening. It is showing what it was having, but I will do difference from these options. But you said you want percentage wise change, right?
Yes.
So I will go for percentage difference from. So when I click on that, it is asking me, do you want to calculate percentage month over month or year over year? And your request is based on the different years, right?
Yes.
So we go over here and we say, can you please change it to, can you click over there and change it to year? There must be one more option. I am not able to select the upper section, the first section. It is having
year,
option of year. Yeah, year. Yeah.
Base item?
No, base item is previous. That's what you wanted, right? For
Yes.
24 will be 23. For 23, it will be 22, like that. And these are the percentages. For every year, they are calculated, right?
Yes.
Now,
I want
your question
month
of,
also.
sorry?
Month also. Apart from this, I want a month also. January
Month है
20.
ना, left में. Month is also there.
So we
Month
have to
is
change
there. Same
instead
month
of
is
year.
getting compared in different years.
Okay.
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 Now this is overall summary, but if someone is saying, okay, can you show me only for baby lotion? I click on baby lotion, or maybe I click on something else without baby lotion, or so baby mist. Baby mist is only there in 2024. Baby lotion, which is your highest selling category over here. So baby lotion is there in multiple years. Okay. So it was 10, it became 65. So 550% extra, 55 extra, right? 550%, that is.
Yes.
So you can check it for anything like this. You can add more slicers, because if you start bringing them into the report, it might create issues. But just to give you an idea, okay, let's say if these months are not there, you can bring your category also over here. If these months are not there, if I remove month, it is still giving me yearly percentages overall, and I can break it down by, let's take something like, what do you want me to take? Let's take brand. So for all the brands, it has calculated that same thing. So it's up to you. Replicate it as many times as possible. Category, brand, different things, country, location, whatever you want, everything is done. Okay. Now, one question you might ask is this null. This null is coming because either the numerator is missing or the denominator is missing. So I will tell Excel pivot tables by right clicking in the pivot table options. Please, for error values, what do you want to show? I will say do not show anything. So I will keep it empty. So those error values will not appear in my report. It looks clean. Okay. Okay.